What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Seth the Lawn Surgeon. And guess what? I know you guessed it. It's another tall property. But this one, I think they're remodeling that. And I guess they just don't want it to look crazy. So, yeah. But the only thing is small gates. That's the biggest. That's as big as the gates get right there. So the only thing that can fit back here is my 36. And let's check it out. There we go. Yeah. See, it has two gates and both of them the same size. Yeah. And yeah. I mean, if I feel like it, bro. But I don't feel like it. I would take this chain link off, bro. But I don't feel like it. Yeah, I have taken the link off the fence. This yard's not that big, but it was a yard that was humongous, and I had to do a leaf cleanup. I said, no way, bro. I took the extra time, took the chain link fence apart. It's not that bad. You just take these bolts off, and the hardest part is getting this little these little poles back in. Anywho, enough of that. Look, I'm finding stuff in the yard already. What the heck is this about? I don't know. What's going on over there? I'm just gonna get back here and see what I can do. This is a normal situation. A lot of people will ask me what I would use the Timemaster for. It would be for something like this. You know, small gates. The benefit of the Timemaster is the fact that it has I can open the chute. So even though it's not as big of a mower, I can still open the chute up and let the grass spray out, and I cut it down. But the reason I got rid of it is because, you know, it was getting old. You know, it was either buy a new one or sell it, make some money for it. And now I got the 36. 36 fit through this gate, has the Mulching kit on it. Got sharp blades, fresh oil, fresh air filter that I got put in there. So we're gonna see what that bad boy can do. Yes, sir. All right, people, it's starting raining. Started raining out here on me. Wasn't even supposed to rain today. So I'm gonna get y'all a quick shot of the back here. I don't get my camera too wet. This is what we end up with. Nice little double cut. Yes, sir. Woo! All right, people. Guess this is my taste of real life. What y'all be going through. Well, I ain't gonna say I won't be going through it. I definitely be going through it even worse for me because I gotta try to cut on the weekend, and if it's raining on the weekend, you know, I gotta still stay out here. Luckily for me today, I haven't filled my schedule up, so I only had 3 jobs today. This was my 3rd job, the final job, so I am done for today. And this is another reason why I want an enclosed trailer. I'm leaning towards not getting an enclosed trailer. I got an idea up my sleeve for my trailer. Yeah. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.